Well, today we saw a decent amount of sunshine across the UP. It doesn't really look like it, but there were a few breaks in the clouds, and now showers are beginning to push in, and we'll notice more of them as we head throughout the overnight. So get ready for a wet evening, and then also for tomorrow, as we're heading out to Election Tuesday, we're going to have to deal with the wetness as well. So make sure to have an umbrella as you head out to the polls. Right now, temperatures are in the lower 50s, so it was quite mild for us. South winds at 12 miles per hour, so beginning to pick up on that south wind. That is what has brought that cooler air or that warmer air mass in place. Right now at 50 degrees in Marquette, off to the west. Temps actually in the 40s for a few of us. 49 in Houghton, 46 in Lawrence, 52 a little farther south in Ironwood, where the rain has made its way in already. Crystal Falls, Florence, both of you at 47 degrees. And for us, a little farther off to the east, upper 40s in Escanaba. Also for us in Iron Mountain at 47 degrees. And lower 50s in Ishpeming at 50. Winds coming in from the south, anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. 13 for us in Escanaba, a little lighter back into Houghton at 5, 10 in Marquette, and off to the west, well, winds starting to come in from the north. And what we're going to notice throughout the overnight, not so much of a west wind. It's going to start to come in more from the west, and that is going to be because of our system that is going to bring the rain. That is actually going to bring a cool air mass as we work our way throughout the afternoon tomorrow. But today, right now, temperatures mild for us. Upper 40s in Escanaba, lower 50s in Iron Mountain, more of the 50s as you go farther south in the state, and even one lone 60-degree reading in Flint there for them. For our headlines, expect a mild overnight for us with temperatures only dropping off in the 40s, but we are going to expect that rain to continue to work its way in, and it's going to be a soggy and cool afternoon for us on Tuesday. Highs will be around the middle 40s earlier on as we head into the later morning hours, and definitely by the afternoon, that cooler air mass will start to sink its way southward, and that's when temperatures will drop off into the lower 40s and then back in the 30s by tomorrow night. And then we'll be drying out and cooling off as we head into Wednesday. Wednesday, maybe staying dry, but there's going to be a small chance of an isolated rain-snow mix, and it's only going to be around 20%, but better chances are going to arrive later on in the week, and that is going to be with our next disturbance that is really going to be possibly providing more snowfall for us. But taking a look at our setup, the warmer air mass in front of our cold front that will be working its way eastward, seeing all the rain back into Minnesota. A lot of the thunderstorm activity will stay off to our south, so we won't have to deal with that here for us into the UP, and then the rain continues its way eastward as that band of showers pushes through the lower peninsula throughout tomorrow afternoon, and while we dry out by tomorrow night. As we take a look now at our Futurecast model, seeing how the showers continue to work their way throughout the overnight and for us tomorrow, but then the rain will begin to fade away. Our next system comes in with the showers as well, as you see right on the heels of that one, coming in from the west, and that will bring us that colder air mass, not just cool, but colder, and that is what's going to help bring in the snow throughout the days, possibly on Thursday, and maybe even for us as we head into Friday. For tonight, though, we'll be at 41 degrees, showers increasing, southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your BuzzStop forecast will be at 41, southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your Tuesday forecast, expecting temps to be in the lower and mid 40s at 43 in Lawrence, a little higher into Crystal Falls at 47, 45 in Marquette, and warming up quite nicely in front of the front in Munising and Escanaba, both in the 50s, and Manistee at 51 as well. For your 7-day forecast, Tuesday expected to be wet, a slight chance of showers or maybe even snowflakes on Wednesday, as highs will be in the lower 40s, and then here comes that better chance of snow as we look out for that next disturbance on Thursday and Friday as the bottom really falls out with our temperatures back down in the mid and lower 30s.